Groups that track electronic waste are issuing a dire warning.
Experts say that 50 to 55% of e-waste is collected or recycled in Europe. In low-income countries, the estimates plunge to under 5% and sometimes even below 1%.
India is currently the third largest contributor of e-waste globally. The world today has 16 billion mobile phones, of which 5.3 billion are estimated to go out of use this year.
Have you ever wondered why you keep on replacing your phone, tablets, accessories or electronics gadget very often or very frequently? Have you ever tried of repairing your phones or the tablets at home or in the market? And are you concerned that you are contributing to our nation's rising e-waste problem? Well. One last question. Have you ever heard of right to repair? If not, let's get the conversation started. Hey there, I am Rajat. Let's open up.
Despite containing valuable elements like gold, copper, silver, palladium, and several other recyclable components, more than 5 billion unwanted cell phones will be hoarded, dumped. This will cause significant health and environmental harm.
The big picture result is that India generated an estimated 16 lakh tons of e-waste in the fiscal year 2022, out of which just 33% was collected and recycled. In the last year, November 2022, India published the e-waste management rules to replace the earlier regulations from the 2016. Additionally, a committee by Department of Consumer Affairs was established to create a thorough right to repair framework, promoting repair as an alternative to frequent device replacements. To this, the committee encountered a very significant problem. They realized that in order to implement the right to repair, manufacturers must be involved, which has proven to be a very difficult task. But a very significant question: what does this right to repair actually mean? Look, you need to understand that the right to repair means to extend the life of phones, appliances and other electronic devices by providing access to repair options by original equipments, manufacturers or the third-party repairers. This encourages sustainable consumption and helps in the battle against the production of e-waste. The rules also speak preventing the manufacturers from controlling who can fix their products. So if there is so much of positivity in this, why this hasn't happened yet? And what is the role of the manufacturer in this? Well, the manufacturers over here are the companies that makes the electronics gadgets like the phone, tablets and other devices. They were worried that if they let anyone repair their products, it might not be safe for the people to use them again. They also worry that other people might steal their secrets about how they make their products. The real problem is that these companies often make it really hard for the people to fix their own things or have someone else to fix them. And eventually, people have to buy the new things instead of fixing the old ones. This is actually called planned obsolescence. It is like making a toy which can be played for a very short period of time, and when it breaks, it just can't be fixed. In a nutshell, the government wants to make a rule that companies must let people to repair their things, but at the same time, some big companies don't want people to fix their things because they want people to buy new things to improve their sales. The government is also worried that some companies might not want to invest in India anymore and create jobs if they make these rules too strict. So they need to find a balance which works for everyone. Now what is important, you guys know. It is how the e-waste can be reduced and to make sure that people can repair their things but without hurting the company's rights too. Do share this in your feed if you feel this needs to be heard by everyone.